This is a review of the pedal commander model PC55 Bluetooth for a 2018 Toyota Camry XSE 4-cylinder. I just did the install and it was pretty straightforward. Just unplugging the throttle sensor clip and then plugging in the pedal commander to it. I did some test driving, and first I tried it on the city with the +2, and that was actually pretty linear on the acceleration. Here it is right now, the module. I then tried it on sport +2, and that was pretty good, and it didn't feel too jumpy, the throttle. I did try the sport plus with a +2, and that was just too much jumping on the car. And if you're slowing down and you press on the accelerator, the revs jump real high and the car's still just trying to catch up to the gear. So I don't recommend that one. But the CD +2 was pretty good with the linear. Felt real smooth on this 4-cylinder. And then I'm gonna go ahead and try this week using the sport and then +2, which felt pretty good, and see what happens. I'm no mechanic, but I was able to get this done, and I'm going to do another video probably in about 4 or 5 days to report back if this is worth the cost or not. As you can see down here on my gear shift, this model has the Eco, the normal, and the sport, and I'm always using the sport, but it still lags quite a bit unless you really press it down. But just trying it right now with the pedal commander in sport +2, most of that is gone, so I'm pretty happy so far. So I will do another review in about 4 or 5 days and let you guys know. All right, thanks for watching. Take care.